Question 33. A piece of chocolate candy enclosing an almond in the center is made in a rectangular mold that has inside dimensions of 4, 3, and 2. If the volume of the almond is 2 cubic centimeters, what is the maximum volume of the chocolate of the piece of candy? So the key here is that it is a rectangular mold or rectangular solid. So we'll draw that first. Okay, and we're told it's 4, 3, and 2 for the dimensions, so you can just pick whatever you want, but do something that seems reasonable based on how you drew the problem. So I would do 4 here, we can call that 2, and that's 3. Or maybe it's easier to see, that's 2, and this is 3. And then there is some kind of almond on the inside, so I'm going to just draw this sort of like oval shape thing. And we're told the volume of that is 2 cubic centimeters, so cm cubed. So whenever you see the units with a cube, that means you're dealing with a volume. And what they're looking for is they're looking for the chocolate that is around this almond. What is the maximum volume? What is the maximum volume of the chocolate in the piece of candy? So that's everything that's around the almond. It's in the block. So it's going to look like this. It's pretty much everything else that's here. Everything else that's here except the almond. Okay? So what we're going to do is take the volume of the rectangle, subtract out the volume of the almond, and that's going to give us the volume of the chocolate. Okay? And the volume of the rectangle is just length times width times height. So 4 times 3 times 2, and we know the volume of the almond because it's given. So that's going to be 4 times 3 is 24 times 2, 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is going to be 24, got ahead of myself, and then minus 2, and that is going to give us 22, and that is a volume, so it's going to be centimeters cubed. So for this one, our answer is going to be D.